We get questions all the time, should private supervisors be teaching young learner drivers? Now, from this footage, we can see that this young learner driver did a lot of wrong things in that particular intersection. Clearly they were in the right lane, and reportedly they spent probably about a couple of kilometres before that intersection in the right lane. So roughly around Vincent Street in Leederville, they moved over to the right lane, and after this particular intersection that was shown in this short footage, they drove all the way down to Nedlands near the Sir Charles Gardner Hospital. So, you know, they should not have done that if they don't intend to turn anywhere. It's more than enough if we allow maybe 300 metres, 400 metres to change lanes. It's more than enough. In an event of, really heavy, congested traffic, maybe we can do it slightly earlier, or we can stay in the right lane for a little bit longer, but not on a Saturday afternoon where there's no traffic. So, so we do encourage learner drivers to get taught by private supervisors, but really we also advise private supervisors to double check what the rules are and what are the best ways of teaching. So please discourage people to drive in the right lane if there's no particular need to do so. We thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.